Hello and welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. My name is Mandy and I am so glad that you're here today. I know in a previous video I had said I was going to show you how to weave your ends in. And this is actually the scarf that I had that I was going to show you because I had to use two different skeins. So what I've done is where I have had that where I joined the two skeins together, I just got this huge darning needle, and make sure that when you do have to change colors or add get a different skein, that you leave at least 4 inches, if not longer, out, so that'll give you room to work. So you're going to take and you're going to thread this through the darning needle, and sometimes it's a little tricky. I'm old, so I actually broke this one when I was doing it. These are like really cheap at Walmart. You can get like 3 or 4 of them in a pack, but they're threaders, and you just stick this into the needle and stick that yarn through it and pull it through. So I use those a lot, but we've got it in. And I'm going to have to turn this so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, without pulling it out. Okay, so you see here at the very top here, you're going to take and you're going to thread this through that chain. So don't pull it out. See, I'm pulling just so I can get my needle in there. And hopefully you can see I'm just threading it through, and just go and go and go all the way through that chain. All right, all the way, because you're going to want this to pull all the way out when you do that. So you leave the yarn in the chain, and I think I got way too much. Yeah. Grab a hold of that needle. Give it a little snug through, and it will pull that thread through there. See, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get that hanging out, because you're threading this through, and it just make it a lot easier to pull it through. Just pull, and the other side worked great, and this side is just being a little pickle. But may have to, there we go. I loosened it up. See how it's just pulled right out. Now, my friends, you cannot tell where I had to change to a different skein. So this scarf is totally done. It's actually a real long one. I live in Michigan, and usually it's cold in Michigan, but this year it's cold, but there's not really snow right now. It's just like the day after Christmas. Happens sometimes, but it's going to be getting cold. And so made this nice scarf, and I had told you before it's about 200 chains long, and it's 10 rows in height, and I used the triple crochet to do it. I was kind of hesitant about using this triple crochet. It may be too big of a stitch, but no, it was not. It actually looks nice, because you don't want too much bundled up on your neck. You just want, because this is long enough to wrap it around. So, well, if you like my little videos, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so. So like I had said before, I've got a lot more to show you, and I am so eager to show you. There's a lot more stitches to show you. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you at a different time. All right. Happy crocheting.